Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. Peel the weather strip back. If you leave part of it on, it will make the reinstalling process slightly easier. Pull and remove the air grill from the frame. Install the AQ1097 housing kit with the shorter end on the left. Secure the housing kit with the two center push clips. Install the new AQ1097 filter into the housing. Install the filter housing door. Reinstall the cowling panel. Reinstall the weather strip. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.